Today I am making pork tocino. This is a famous Filipino breakfast dish with awesome tocino, which is sweet pork that has been cured, and silog, which is crispy garlic rice, and a wonderful egg. So, without further ado, people, let's make this shit. Stay tuned. All right, so pork tocino, that's what you know we're making today. And I gotta say, I'm very excited about this. I've been sleeping on this one for months, been trying to make it, and I never got around to it. So here we are, and we'll see how this comes out. So without further ado, people, let's make this shit. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the marinade. So I've got a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, then about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, then about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Then I'm going to do the same for some black pepper, fresh ground black pepper, of course. Then I'm going to come through with some white vinegar. So about a tablespoon of white vinegar. And for some pineapple juice, you want about 3 tablespoons of pineapple juice. And then I'm going to just do a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then, of course, some red food coloring. Don't kill me. You don't have to add it. Give that all a very nice mix. And we're going to be marinating our pork butt. So I've got pork butt that's bone-in, that's been sliced into steaks, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these down into strips. So go ahead and cut them down into nice thin little strips. Now this is about 2 pounds of pork butt here, and I'm going to go ahead and take it all once I slice it up, put it in a Ziploc bag, pour in our marinade, give it a nice mix in there, and we want to marinate this for about 24 to 48 hours. You want to make sure you're flipping every so many hours because you really want to make sure the marinade gets on all sides. So 24 to 48 hours, however long you can do. And if you want to add more sugar, you can definitely do half a cup of brown sugar in this marinade. So we're going to move on to our garlic. So I've got about 7 cloves of garlic here, which I'm going to go ahead and peel and then chop up, rock my knife through it. This is going to be for our crispy garlic rice. I want to put this in the oil first before I actually sear up the pork tocino because I want to get a nice garlic oil for that pork. Removing the garlic once it's nice and brown, crispy, not black, I'm going to add that oil to this pan here and drop in my pork tocino and start searing it up on all sides. Now, I want to go ahead and make sure that I'm flipping throughout every so often, but we want a nice maillard and don't overcrowd the pan. So it's not too tough to make this one. It's actually really, really easy. Then into a pan, we're going to go ahead and drop in our eggs. We're going to make some nice eggs here, shooting for over easy, but cook whatever kind of eggs you want. So we're going to go ahead and remove this batch because it's all done, and then we're going to keep working our batches. While our batches are searing up in the pan, we're going to make a nice little cucumber salad because who doesn't want a little nice veggie crunch? So I'm going to grab some cucumbers and thinly slice them. Once sliced down, I'm going to go ahead and put them in a bowl and add just a little bit of sesame oil, maybe a teaspoon, not too much. Give them a nice mix, and I'm using 1 cucumber here, by the way. I know I said cucumbers. And some Korean red chili powder. Give that a nice mix, and we'll set that aside. That'll be a nice salad. But for our rice, I got some jasmine rice here, which I cooked, and I did rinse, so rinse your rice. And I'm going to mix up our crispy garlic into here, and we are ready for plating. So we're going to start off with our crispy garlic rice. And so we're going to drop that in, and then we're going to add in our cucumbers. Just drop those in there for a nice little plating flair. Then our pork tocino, and of course our eggs. And I gotta say, people, this one was damn awesome. Finished it off with a little bit of sesame seeds, and there we are. All right, and we are all done. I have to say, I've been eating it along the way. This looks so damn good, and I've tasted it. It is good. All right, get a bite. Some of our crispy garlic rice, some of that egg, of course, the pork tocino, star of the show. There we are. Wow. The flavors in this are insane. It kind of reminds me of a huli huli chicken a little bit, but you got the nice egg there. You got the cucumbers, the crispy garlic rice just seals the deal. And then, of course, the star of the show, the pork tocino. It's very rich. It's not too sweet. It's got a nice tang to it. And I don't know what to tell you. I'm going to eat this. And oh, before we go, if you're new to the channel, thank you for watching through the end of the video. For all of you who have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you'd like to see me make in the future. But again, like I said, I'm going to eat this, and cheers. I'm out.